Welcome, Asiatic lion landscape. The Asiatic lions of the Gir forest were concerned for conservationists after cyclone Biparjoy made landfall close to the port of Jakhu in Kutch. So, let's talk about Asiatic lion. Its scientific name is Panthera leopusica, and status is Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, Appendix I of CITES, and the IUCN Red List all list it as endangered. Difference between Asiatic and African lions. Let's see their physical features. African lions are slightly larger than their Asian counterparts. Now we talk about their habitat and distribution. Asiatic lion landscape. In the past, Asiatic lions were found in the eastern Indian states of West Bengal and Rewa in Madhya Pradesh. But currently, there are close to 700 lions spread across the Gir Somnath, Amreli, Junagadh, and Bhavnagar districts of Gujarat's Saurashtra region in the Asiatic lion landscape, all. The region is the world's final stronghold for the Asiatic lion, Panthera leo. The Gujarati government is attempting to designate areas of the all as new homes for the animals, including the Barda Wildlife Sanctuary. Its habitat. In the southwest of Gujarat's Saurashtra region, there is a small tract of dry deciduous forest and open grasslands. Now the next topic is Great Indian Bustards. Conservationists were concerned about the 4 Great Indian Bustards, GIB, of Nalia near Jakhu after cyclone Biparjoy made landfall nearby the port of Jakhu in Kutch. The last of the GIB population in Gujarat, they are all female. So, let's talk about this species and its physical features. Its scientific name is Ardotes nigriceps. Their population, 200 individuals worldwide. Its body features was the wings are marked with black, brown, and grey, and the body is a light brown color. Its crown was the black forehead crown stands out against the white neck and head. The average height and weight gain for males and females is the same, but males have larger black crowns and a black band across the breast. Habitat. Bustards adapt well to grasslands because they typically prefer flat, open landscapes with little visual interference and disturbance. They stay away from grasses that are taller than them and thicket-like areas of scrub-like thickets. Distribution. The Great Indian Bustard was historically found in 11 states of western India and some areas of Pakistan. The Thar Desert in the northwest and the Deccan Plateau of the peninsula were once its strongholds. Today, Gujarat and Rajasthan are home to the majority of its population. Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh have small populations. The Indian Wildlife Protection Act, 1972, Schedule 1, also Schedule 1 of the Bonn Convention, also known as the Convention on Migratory Species, the Washington Convention, also known as CITES, is a treaty on the international trade in endangered species of wild flora and fauna. They listed as critically endangered by the IUCN, conservation, identified for conservation efforts under the Species Recovery Program, subcomponent of the centrally sponsored scheme Development of Wildlife Habitats. At SAM, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, a satellite conservation breeding facility has been set up. Now our next species is alligator garfish, in Dal Lake, the second largest and most well-known lake in J&K. A non-native fish called an alligator gar was discovered. This fish is distinguished by its crocodile-like head and razor-sharp teeth. The main location for the Group of 20 G20 tourism meeting in Srinagar, the Sher-e-Kashmir International Convention Center, SKICC, was found nearby. Alligator fish head look like crocodiles and have teeth that are razor-sharp. It is a ray-finned euryhaline fish, the largest species of the gar family, and one of the largest freshwater fish in North America. It is the largest member of the Lepisosteidae family of gar species. Relatives. The alligator gar is a close relative of the bowfin species. Its age, was the crocodile-type fish, has a life expectancy of 20 to 30 years and grows quickly. Its features, is gars are frequently referred to as primitive fishes, or living fossils, due to the fact that they have kept some morphological traits from their ancient ancestors, such as a spiral valve intestine that is also present in sharks' digestive systems and the capacity to breathe both air and water. Distribution. The alligator garfish, which is not an Indian species, is typically found in Mexico as well as Northern and Central America. However, it has also been discovered in recent years in some areas of India, including Bhopal, Kerala, and water bodies in Maharashtra and Kolkata. Its diet was it can consume all types of fish because it is a predator fish and a carnivore, endangering both native species and the ecosystem as a whole. Any invasive fish species that poses a threat to the local fish fauna is forbidden under the Indian Biological Diversity Act of 2002. IUCN status, least concern. Let's see our next and last topic is VIGYANT. A new species of dinosaur has been discovered by scientists thanks to fossilized remains discovered on the Isle of Wight, just off the south coast of England. Its name was Vactiped barrettii, after Professor Paul Barrett, the head of fossil vertebrates at the Natural History Museum, NHM. The species look like. The species belongs to the Polacanthus foxy. And it belongs to the larger family of plant-eating dinosaurs called ankylosaurs. Its features: the fossilized dinosaur species with spikes resembling blades is the first of its kind to be found in the region in 142 years. Now new about Isle of Wight. Off the coast of Hampshire in the English Channel and across the Solent is the Isle of Wight. It is England's biggest and second most populous island. It is recognized as a biosphere reserve by UNESCO. Thank you for watching.